VP Constantino Chiwenga panguva inoi vari under attack. Tichiona panguva inoi Zvigananda pamwechete naTemba Mliswa vari kupangana chiti VP Constantino Chiwenga is dug his own grave. Vachiti this is at the end of the road for VP Constantino Chiwenga. Sana bena mashoko ari kubuda panguva inoi aiwa nemapictures ari kucirculate vachiti no job aiwa instead also VP Constantino Chiwenga ndoba subscribe like on the bell icon. Panapa tipinda mzimu aiwa kudanyura chiti VP Chiwenga abandoned soldiers and today has dug his own grave by trying to embarrass own boss. Mani Ramiro yachiti Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has dug his own political grave and destroyed any remaining credibility he once held within ZANU-PF. Outspoken independent legislator Honorable Temba Mliswa, as he said in a hard-hitting interview with Simba Chikanza on ZimEye. Speaking with Ray Konjo, Mliswa said Chiwenga had overplayed his hand, lost the trust of the military and the party structures that once protected him, and now stood isolated after trying to humiliate President Emmerson Mnangagwa in the Politburo. He dug his own grave, Mliswa declared. He spoke about corruption, but how clean is he? I have challenged him to declare his assets. You can't accuse others without first proving your own hands are clean. Mliswa dismissed the notion that Chiwenga was owed political loyalty for his role in 2017 transition, insisting that Vice President was in China when the whole thing happened and he has no political capital of his own. He did not assist ED. He was not the architect of the Second Republic. The president was, Mliswa said. If he had been patient, the incumbent would have extended political capital to him, but he did not wait. Now he has none. No one will go against the incumbent. The outspoken legislator described the vice president's recent political maneuvers as showmanship rather than genuine reform, accusing him of using the anti-corruption narrative to humiliate the president and the party. He wanted to appear as Mr. Clean, the perfect man, yet he is not. That's childish politics, Mliswa added. A true commander looks after his troops, he said. The welfare of soldiers, police officers, and prison officers has been neglected. Those at the top live lavishly, while the rank and file suffer. That failure lies squarely with the commanders. He warned that neglecting security sector welfare could one day trigger dissent within the ranks. One day, those neglected soldiers may unite and say, "We don't want you. You have failed us." That's the danger of leadership without empathy. Ndomashoko ari kubuda panguva ino achatoka kuna VP Constantino Chiwenga nana Mliswa. Imbotizai mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro these attacks. Penda kuma section medu za mafunguro enyu, subscribe, like, chete on the bell icon.